Wondering how to change time on your Garmin Forerunner, Venu, Vivoactive or any other series? In today's video, I'll show you how to do just that. So, I'm using my Forerunner 265 for the demonstration, but the process I'm about to show you is gonna be quite similar for other Garmins like Fenix, Venu or Vivoactive series. So, just press and hold the up button to open the menu and navigate to System. There, you'll find Time. Open it and select Set Time. Tap on Manual and you'll see there's an additional option under Set Time. Select Time and proceed to change the time using the up and down buttons. And press the Start button to set it and confirm the selected time. You can also go all the way down and select the Time Sync option, which uses the GPS signal to sync the time according to it. However, the GPS Time Sync option is not available on all Garmins. In that case, you just need to acquire a GPS signal by starting a GPS activity, or you can also connect it with your smartphone. Doing either one will automatically update the time on your Garmin smartwatch. And that's about it. Now that you know how to update and set time on your Garmin watch, if you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.